When you're working in a document, Word checks for spelling, grammar, and clarity. Word autocorrects a lot of mistakes for you, and if it's not autocorrected, you'll see a squiggly line appear under misspelled words, a double underline for grammar, and a dotted line appear for issues with clarity. Right-click an underlined word to see a list of corrections. Select the word you want, and it'll change in your document. If you'd like to review spelling and grammar all at once, select Review, Check Document. The Editor pane opens with Corrections and Refinements to help improve your writing. This window breaks down each task by category and lets you focus on the issues you care about. Select a category to review, and Word shows a suggestion for each issue it finds. Select the drop-down arrow to see Word's grammar advice. Then select a change if you'd like to keep it, and Word moves to the next suggestion. Other options include Ignore Once if you'd like Word to skip the item, or Don't check for this issue if you want Word to skip the item throughout the whole document.